Oh, two. I almost threw my phone.
Alright, guys, we're live. We're about to do a siege 2v1. Me and Damon versus Isaiah.
They're buns.
I'm about to kill you, bro. Watch this. Y'all better be ready to watch this. Absolute peak.
Sausage fest.
Yeah, bro.
That movie's so peak.
Yeah, bro.
Sausage party.
Yeah, Sausage Fest is an event. I think. I don't know.
It is.
Isn't that like in Germany?
Yeah, for a bunch of guys with bat their sausages and like.
Isn't that in like Germany or something, right, Damon? It's like in Germany.
No, Tudor and Rodway to it. It's like near us.
Not catching the fucking hint, but alright. Whatever, bro. There's probably like ones all over the US, but we have one.
Who's basement?
Get down here in the big W.
Bro, why are you basement, bro? That's so gay.
A bomb must be located and defused.
Yeah, bro.
Wait,
I
you
lost.
guys want to do upstairs? Oh wait, I have my sound turned down.
I'm playing with one mission control freak.
I don't have any control freaks. Wait, hold on. Where the hell are we coming from? Okay, you're above. About right.
You located a bomb.
Oh,
Op 4 eliminated. Friendly mission
do you know how
successful.
basement works, right, dickhead? I was about to go kill Olin, dude, man.
Why can't we do the right side?
Loser!
Yeah, and Olin did it. He used to blank me. Yo, Thatcher got a whole new icon. This is kind of tough. What guns did he get?
W
get-
team.
Did he get a gun?
Where's my control
Alright.
freak?
We're
Hey.
gonna be trying reworked Thatcher.
Hey guys, should I get a intro? Should we get an intro?
So like allegation.
I'm not getting an LEA intro, but
Wait, Thatcher looks hella tough.
Thatcher's always been tough.
I see it. I found
No,
it.
no, he was buns. Not really, but
I would play Thatcher over what's the other EMP.
there's no other EMP, by the way.
Exactly.
Secure the bombs.
Not but his logo.
Oh,
looks
holy
good.
lag.
You're only at 53 ping.
Deploying jab.
10 seconds to insertion. 5 seconds left.
Why are we on mute, jackass?
Bomb locations are secure.
What is his rep?
Jab ready.
Wait, I don't even have this rep. Why is it not? Why did it let me put it on if I don't have it?
Why did someone
No, I have
shoot my
no guns.
signal disruptor, bro?
Deploying sensor.
What? No roaming, by the way.
Heartbeat sensor deployed.
I can hear you.
One friendly
What the
remaining.
fuck? How did you live that?
I don't know. What?
Hostiles eliminated.
I didn't know you had a sniper. God.
It's not. It's a shotgun. I quick scoped you.
I had you low.
Not that low.
One kill. I'm gonna get the whole game. By the way,
I was like barely less than half.
was that W positioning?
No, it's like the Venom.
Your cat said, "No, no, no. We're not getting a dog." Ah!
Yeah, is it gonna do the same thing? Is it gonna let me put on the wrap and then not have it on?
Bro, I actually sniped Isaiah, bro. I can see the bloodstream like fly into the air.
Huh. I don't want to go to school tomorrow, bro. Loki, school is not for performative students.
School's not for successful YouTubers like us.
Yeah, yeah. School is for
We need to locate a bomb.
nerds, losers.
If you want to get
Jackasses.
$1 million, quit school. And I don't know what else. That's all I usually say. They say quit school.
I bought the puppy in Egypt.
Insertion in 10
So we
seconds.
not going kids? Alright, bro.
Your drone has
Oh,
found
wait,
a
no,
bomb.
we are.
5 seconds to go.
Yeah, no! Oh, he's Mozzie.
You found a bomb. Make your way to its
Yeah, bro,
location
that like
and defuse it.
absolutely ruins what the operator I'm killing.
Are you trying to go Brava
No.
or Twitch?
Yes again.
No.
Great shot!
I don't even want your drone, Gary.
Wait, how does the best player in the world do this? You like Jinxie, you know, because he's the best player.
Yo, I'm low-key.
Let's go some kill. Hatero anchored.
Oh, okay.
Friendly, last operator standing.
I thought you were gonna jump off. Or I thought you were gonna jump in off the set.
So I caught you in the head on my screen.
All friendlies have
What?
been eliminated.
So dumb, bro. That's so stupid, bro. I hate this game.
Did I low-key read you like a book? Okay. Damon, was that tough, plays?
What?
Did you see that?
Ever.
Oh,
Alright, bro. Kill this guy. Guys,
Kill
I'll
the
tell you his address. Go get him.
Please do not.
Secure the area. Keep the bombs protected.
oh yeah, there's sausage fests around America. We're good. Never mind.
Yeah, there's
Bomb
sausage
location
fest in my
compromised.
house.
Plan accordingly. Down to 10 seconds.
Made by me.
Deploying jammer.
5 seconds.
Moment of silence for all those who heard that. Like what?
Jammer ready to
Bomb
activate.
located by Op 4.
Nah, what do you mean, bro? Damon goes to them regularly.
David is
They go to the
like
park,
going to
yeah.
like going to Isaiah's sausage fest.
I have a bunch of pack loss.
So did I.
Jammer.
It was bad. Yeah, Damon goes to Sausage Fest. Ryan goes to Sausage Fest.
You might meet these people in the future, by the way, guys. Just so you know. Even
Op 4 eliminated. Mission successful.
I hate you.
Who was eating sunflower seeds, by the way?
smooth off.
Yo, bro, these guys are like Jinxie, bro.
Jinxie's the best player in the world. What do you mean?
Shotgun crutches. Jeez Louise.
If you can't handle it, if you can't handle the smoke,
When I
then
use a weapon in a game.
Shotgun crutches, am I right?
hey guys,
Leave
let us
my-
know if you'd like to see more Siege content.
Let them know they should stop using shotguns.
That's up to
Try
them, bro.
to aim.
Hey, maybe the losing player should lock in and stop trash talking.
Maybe you should hop off the shotguns.
Too bad, so sad, bro. Chacho.
Hey, I didn't get wall bangs now, did I, buddy? Yeah, I banged you through that wall.
What?
What?
Locate a bomb.
I wish I had face cam like Jinxie so I could make a funny face. Hey guys, at 1,000 subscribers, we're all revealing our faces.
Stares up at the camera. Nah, get your ass back here.
Oh, he's Mozzie again.
5 seconds before insertion.
Is it only Mozzie you can see that's all highlighted green?
Your mission is
Huh?
to locate.
Like
and
when I
defuse
look
the
at you with
bomb.
my drone, you're highlighted green.
I don't know. I don't play Mozzies. Nobody plays Mozzie.
Mozzie hate is not tolerated.
Reloading!
Friendly,
Oh,
last
you-
Bad
operator.
name.
Scared Olin.
He's gonna chill.
if you remember or not.
Lock in. This is how we win games, by the way, guys.
Olin, can you stop crawling on the floor in kitchen, bro?
No, you do need to enter site before you can like win, right?
You located a bomb.
I wonder where he is.
What? I shot
Friendlies
you.
have been
You can
eliminated.
see the video later. I shot you. You're so lame, bro. Why are you actually good at this game? Like, who's good at this game, bro?
Why do you have such a little ping? Holy.
Because I'm literally wired in.
So am I.
Well, I guess I'm just
I
better
think
than
the
you, I
wire's
guess.
like red.
You guys have an Ethernet cable?
Yes. I do.
It doesn't work too well though, because I should be on like 0 ping, but I'm not.
That's not how that works.
I'm on like
but
30.
0 ping is how close you are to the servers, not how...
Nah.
Whatever, bro. Ow, there's a zit in my ear and it hurts so bad.
Secure the area. Keep the bombs protected.
Ow.
There's a hunt in your ear?
A zit.
Is that a full
Down to 10
mirror?
seconds.
You and I'm a little special.
I
5
didn't
seconds
see it. I
and
just
counting.
saw him big ass fucking shotgun.
Bomb location secure.
Oh, Warden? Ugh.
Hey, don't tell my operator, that's cheating.
I literally saw you, bro.
That guy's a heavy ping. Bro. Are you in that corner again?
No.
It wasn't Mira. It wasn't.
One friendly operator
Why are you
remaining.
right there?
Mira wasn't trifling. Now the question is, where's?
Lucky I headshot.
Op 4 eliminated. Mission successful.
Yo, I think he was waiting for. Oh, you were just sitting. God. Why were you?
Drew an 8 pattern, by the way. Oh, I'm so good at this game, bro. I'm actually the best. I'm the best. Best in the friend group at Siege, by the way. David, what are we doing? What the fuck are we doing, bro?
Need to give every defender their ACOG back. Starting with the
It's like
P10
flash
Rowdy.
the enemies.
Starting with the P10 Rowdy.
We need to locate a bomb.
It's you.
Insertion in 10 seconds.
He's Bonzi.
I know who he is.
5 seconds to go. You must
He-
locate and defuse a bomb.
He's at big stairs right now.
No, I wanted the drone.
No!
Diffuser.
No!
One friendly operator remaining.
No, I'm going to lose. Where was the drone at?
Bomb has been located.
You're so lame. Where's that? You never let me have any fun.
No! I know he has a supernova. I'm scared.
You can't get me in this corner.
You don't have defuse.
You can't get me in this corner.
You won't get defuse, so.
Maybe I'm playing with one ear audio.
Are you flashing?
Horrendous, Damon. What is this?
Bro's flashing the ghosts of.
But what does bro know about the Mac 10?
We posted up here with a Mac 10. I think's not. I think's not. Oh, Lee, just got to the
Located
door.
at.
Are you putting punch holes? Oh shit.
He went downstairs.
Stop hiding! Swing me, pussy.
The diffuser is now secured.
Damon! Damon,
Lag.
no! No!
Lag.
Okay.
Remaining.
He's in that room. He's in.
10 seconds left. Time expired.
You did not stab me. I was on the floor. What?
Damon! Damon! Your shotgun had
If
no
I didn't-
bullets! What the fuck are we
If I didn't crouch,
doing?
you would have shot my shit smooth off. But you did not knife me. I was on the floor.
I knifed you, dog.
I was on the floor. You were at
Schlager knifed you.
full standing height.
I crouched down in the nick of time just to stab you.
You didn't perchance.
Hey, we gotta like talk shit for engagement bait, but not.
You wink. I hear a pre-play C4. Or am I tripping?
You're fucking tripping. I don't have a C4. I don't have an operator that has C4.
Are we gonna
tapped
pixel?
you.
Hold on. I don't know why I did that. I was supposed to go over here. Hey, jackass. Yo, I can't see a thing.
Op 4 eliminated.
My screen was blinking
Successful.
red. Someone shot me with a shotgun like twice.
I shot
Did I?
7 rounds into the wall.
Yeah, and one of those nicked me.
Naruto had you in the pixel, so I was already getting you low.
Yeah, I don't know what pixel you were on. The one on kid's door?
One of the worst operators.
Speed! I'm going to lose! Speed!
Okay, I
You're not
got
doing it right. It's like, I'm going to lose.
I don't know who to run on defense, bro. There's no ACOX.
You need to use your drone to locate a bomb. Ten seconds.
Hey.
Your
Dude.
drone has found a bomb. 5 seconds to go.
No.
I think he saw you, David.
You
This
found a
gun is
bomb.
so
Make your way
bad.
to its location and defuse it.
Goal.
Reloading.
Guys, watch. Hey, guys. Chat, watch this. Or viewers, I guess. I don't know.
Chat. Bah.
Oh yeah, I'm about to get molested. Yo, I'm getting touched.
Lights on.
Yo, who's planting?
Lights.
All in plant. All in plant.
Hurry!
Bomb diffusion initiated. Protect the diffuser.
Shit.
Down to one
He's 1 in
friendly.
3. He's 1 in 3. He's 1 in 3.
Why are you also on the
Op
floor with a
4
shotgun?
No,
I
boom!
really shot there when you were
Oh
defusing that.
my.
6-3,
I shot that exact
6-3.
spot. Bro, why did you just replace him? Why did you just fill him?
What?
Yeah, why did you fill Damon, bro?
What?
Oh, and we are walking down site.
No one's getting in here. No one's getting in here.
Secure the bombs. Ten seconds left. Bomb location compromised. Plan accordingly. Down to 5 seconds. Op 4 has located a bomb.
I need help. I need help. I need help.
Coming.
Raise device.
He's behind us. Here, Damon, come here.
Bro, I was
Victorious.
mid.
Hostiles eliminated.
Why did you just run across pre-firing?
Look at this.
Oh, oh my god, you just hit me on your very last bullet. You were literally around the corner already.
All skill, by the way. Full skill. Wait, they're not ready for this. They're not ready for this.
I'm gonna play against you, dead card.
I forgot what he says. What does he say?
I don't know. Who? Tell me who, and I'll tell you.
Nah.
Flash on, Hedda.
Need to use your drone to locate a bomb.
Okay, haven't reinforced a single wall.
10 seconds to insertion.
It's an
5
Asian lady.
seconds to insertion.
I think it's a zombie.
What's an Azami?
You
I'm
must
on
locate
Mira.
and defuse a bomb.
I don't think that's Mira, but whatever.
Did you scream? Yep.
Arrow.
Yeah, bro.
Bomb has been located.
They move! No!
One friendly.
No! No! I was at 6 HP. David, lock in. David, lock in. David, no! What are we
All
doing?
friendlies have been eliminated.
I have one headphone. It sounded like he was behind me.
The sound is so bad.
It literally sounded like if you were like circling behind me.
Because he was behind you. You looked the wrong way.
No, like if you
Might
like
need a new
exactly
headset,
standing
bro.
behind me.
Might need a new headset.
First, it sounded like he was behind me as he was spinning in a circle.
Damon, they ain't ready for this one, bro. Damon, go mute. Go mute. Go mute.
I forgot I had this Pika skin from you.
Is it the pink furry one?
Okay,
I
what?
think I have the body.
Huh?
I think I have the body.
Secure the area. Keep the bombs protected.
One on.
Yeah.
Damon, this one, this one, this one, this one.
No, no,
Damon,
no.
right here, right here.
No, you do it right here.
Damon giving Owen
10
advice.
seconds left. Be advised, a bomb location has been
Yeah, bro.
compromised. 5 seconds and counting.
Lock in. Why are we putting mute jammers down?
Op 4 has located a bomb.
I
Get
got
ready
it down
to
just a
engage.
minute.
7.
It slipped out.
Stop, bro. You make my life so much harder, bro.
The burger shield up.
Bro went big window, of course, bro went big window, bro.
Friendly, last operator.
Damn it! Dude! How did bro know I was Capcan?
What? Me killing you has nothing to do with you being killed.
Mission failed. All friendlies
How are we
were eliminated.
losing? How are we losing?
Oh, he had a drone. I would have thrown it sooner.
I look, he stared at you for like 10 seconds on the drone.
If you sooner, you would have been gone. Cut the rest off, Striker.
Loki gonna munch on my Doritos that I never even opened at the movie?
Just edited along. This is gonna take forever to upload.
ASMR?
We need to locate a bomb.
I'll leave my mic with you.
Cap data.
Insertion in 10 seconds. 5 seconds to go.
His basement.
You must locate and defuse a bomb.
In my basement? I don't know.
It's not basement, Olin. Lucky ass headshot of it. Admit that shit right now.
Nope, that was pure skill and aim. Why were you on Capital?
I literally hit cap potato.
Damn
You
it!
have been eliminated.
Free Fire of Doom and Despair.
How are we losing
Yeah.
this, Damon? 6? 7.
Just put a random image of 6'7" when you said that.
The speed face like fades onto the screen.
I don't know how to do that yet. I'm using free CapCut to edit, bro. Y'all want to
CapCut?
donate $23 so I can use Premiere Pro?
Nope.
Hey, if we start making money from this channel, just none of y'all are getting any of it then.
Whoa.
So I spent all my money getting snacks and buying.
So did I.
I missed the part where that's my problem.
Yeah, and I missed the part where it's my problem. We're buying you Premiere Pro. So.
Bro wants to get viewers, but
Protect the
can't edit
bombs.
for
I think
shit.
she's gonna get viewers without me.
Bro.
Why is he trying hard to be funny?
4 out.
Fucking know then. What is that?
Why
Yeah.
is he
10
lying?
seconds to insertion.
Why do you have a C4 on the door?
Down to 5 seconds.
Don't make fun of me.
Bomb location compromised. Plan accordingly. Bomb
Hey
location.
Timmy, why don't we play C4? It's fun.
Bro thinks I'm gonna willingly walk into that door when I can see the C4 sticking out of it. Why are we on Clash, by the way?
Let's do this, you tosses. Dead ass someone just come. I should take it smooth off.
Hey Owen, I'm on the window next to Damon.
Oh really?
Yeah.
You're on the roof.
David's hoping, David.
Move, jackass. Try it.
Move away. David, god
Oh,
damn it.
oh. Fix your feet. I can't see him anymore. He's right here. He threw a drone in. He threw a drone in.
Missed it again. No, he twitched my drone.
One friendly
No.
operator remaining.
No. Damon, lock in.
You queef.
Damon, he's on big window. He's on big window.
What the fuck? Why did
Damon.
All friendlies were eliminated.
Oh my god, we
Get
can't
that in?
hear.
That in?
We can't
Bro.
hear.
Your shield just appeared on your back.
Bro,
We're
Bro.
going to lose. 35-minute video and we're going to lose.
bro, I'm being so for real. I pressed the button to put your shield down, and you know what it does? It makes me go on my camera.
You still would have put it down the wrong way.
Well, I would have heard you.
No, that the shield going on your back saved you. I was about to shoot you in the head and it locked it. It said no.
Mute.
Oh,
Okay. Larry Bird deserved to be in the GOAT conversation.
What do you mean low key? Yes.
No, I was
I
joking.
highly disagree.
He's horrible.
What? It's Larry Bird's peak, bro. What do you mean?
He's not. Larry Bird isn't
Protect
even
the
top
bombs.
10.
Okay.
Type in the comments if you want to debate me.
Camera feed up and running.
10 seconds. Be advised. Op
In this
4 has
segment,
found a
we will
bomb.
be talking basketball.
Down to 5 seconds. Op 4 has located a bomb. Be ready for hostile action.
I forgot it's 1 by 2.
Up and running.
This game never ran.
Device deployed. Repelling hostiles are in for a surprise. EVD pressure. And clear.
I have no clue where he's at.
Big window.
I know. I hear him now.
One friendly operator remaining.
A tornado coming from a mile away. Um,
Bro will never find me hiding in an attic.
Mission failed. All
This
friendlies
game's never
Hold
gonna end,
straight
bro.
to that.
I almost died to that cap can.
Hold straight to
C4,
that.
C4 didn't even touch me. I almost died to that cap can.
You want both damage? No.
Loki, how did guns even work? Like, Siege is
Shut up.
unrealistic.
Shut up.
Bro, what? This is a 40-minute video. No one's watching this, bro.
But it is in 2 parts.
We need to locate a bomb.
Part 1, you'll never guess what happens next. Part 2.
Nothing happened.
Part 2 here.
So part 2 just starts with me saying the N-word.
10 seconds.
Dude, that's
before
not
insertion.
funny, bro.
Your
Like,
drone
what?
has found a bomb.
I find that
This bro didn't let out a little giggle.
Yeah, bro.
a little chuckle.
You've located a bomb. Make your way to its location and defuse it.
Oh, I think, why are you being so gay?
Yeah, Isaiah, why are you playing stupid characters?
Stay close to me.
What are you doing? Why are you going all the way around?
Are you on fucking cameras?
No, but you're fucking loud as shit. Who?
Loading
I know you're on that door over there. Owen, are you above? Whoa!
Op 4 eliminated.
I shut the
Friendly mission
door. I
successful.
put all my bullets into the door. I heard you go prone. No, actually, I just scraped your earlobes. Okay.
Damn it.
Were you above, Olin?
Yeah, I was on big window. I forgot it was on kitchen. Oopsies. Why is it
He
win by
scared me.
2, by the way?
I thought he was gonna start fusing me.
Why is it win by 2? No one's watching this hour-long 1v1, bro. Like, no
Yes,
one's
they
watching
are.
this shit. No one's watching. This is like
Yes,
a
they
4
are.
gigabyte video, bro.
No, it is not.
Yes, it is. I promise you it is.
You're over exaggerating. Stop. Yeah. Don't get your titties in a twist.
Yeah, bro. This kid. No one's watching an
Who you calling
hour-long
kid?
video. No one's watching an hour-long video of us just 1v1.
Yes, they are.
The viewers don't want this.
They want this. They want it, and I'll
Secure
give
the
it to
bombs.
them.
What?
Man, any way they want to take it.
Viewers, do you want that? No.
Viewers do want that foot off
Down to
button
10
yellow.
5 seconds left. Be advised, Op 4 has found
Fuck
a
outta
bomb.
Alright. I heard that shotgun.
Bomb located by Op 4.
Yeah, you want to know something? 5 other operators have it. So.
Using shield.
Okay, well, you only play one of them.
Actually, I play 3 of them.
No, you don't. You don't play Warden. There's only 3 of them who have it, by the way. On defense. Hey, can we not? Oh, I couldn't see because I got echoed.
Anyone know something? Boom! Good name?
Bad aim. I couldn't see. I got
Come on,
echoed.
David. We have to win.
Who plays Echo nowadays?
Who plays Mozzie?
Everyone.
Everyone? No, 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 no.
Yeah, David, shut up, bro. I just understood what you're talking about.
I'm just a freaking numbskull.
The observing?
But in all seriousness, who's watching? Like, David, think about it. Who's watching this? Like,
Definitely not me.
like,
I
think,
watch all the other videos.
like, think about, like, David, think about it. Like, it's just an
I
hour
don't even watch
video
everything.
of us, just like.
Well, you're a Debbie Downer and you don't know the mood.
All right, bro. Like, shut up.
Insertion in 10
You're a
seconds.
Debbie Downer. You're a Debbie Downer. You know what? You're a
5
Debbie
seconds to go.
Downer.
Fucking gloomy Gary
A
over
bomb
here.
must be
I can't
located
say what I
and
really want to say.
Yeah, David, shut up, bro.
It's not that word, it's the other word. What you are.
Dude, shut up. What am I, David?
You're white.
Gloomy Gary, depressed David.
Okay, I'm white. What does that have to do with anything?
bomb has been
You're green.
located.
Sadness Sam.
You're green and blue.
I'm not green and blue. What the?
Need to reload.
Yeah, bro. What are you?
Cluster charge live.
Okay.
Cluster charge going up.
No. No. Go away. Go away.
You didn't drop patch, did you, Damon?
Yeah, I did.
Is it open? No, it's not even open.
Hi, Isaiah. Damon, he's in here. He's in here.
Alright, I'm gonna fuse above.
Oh,
Op 4
I-
eliminated. Friendly
I
How
should
low are
be
you
dead.
on? What? Your screen just blinked red!
Yay, we win! We win!
Bro, I
45-minute
literally shot
video.
you in the
W. Okay,
head.
everyone say bye to the viewers.
Bye bye.
Thank you, viewers.
Yeah, bro. Isaiah's just mad because he lost because he sucks at Siege.
Oh, you had 3 kills, buddy.
Hey, 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 dude. Don't be mean, alright?
I had 8 times your kills. Yeah, almost.
Ooh, I got 2 packs. Pack opening chat. Pack opening chat. Green? No, I don't want it, dog. Dude, it's so bad.
You ended the video yet?
Wait. Pack opening? Guys, be quiet. Blue!